Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the HP 15FD0487TU, powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i3 processor. If you're a student, office user, or just need a reliable everyday laptop, this might be exactly what you're looking for, so let's dive in. Starting with the design, this laptop comes in a clean natural silver finish, and honestly, it looks simple but premium. It weighs around 1.59 kilograms, so it's pretty lightweight and easy to carry around for school or work. You also get a full-size backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad, which is super useful if you work with numbers or type a lot. Now let's talk performance. This laptop is powered by the Intel Core i3-1315U, a 13th Gen processor with 6 cores, 8 threads, boost up to 4.5 GHz. For everyday tasks like web browsing, Microsoft Office, online classes, streaming. It runs smoothly without any issues. You also get 8 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB NVMe SSD, which means fast boot times, quick app loading, smooth multitasking. For graphics, you get Intel UHD Graphics. This is fine for casual tasks, light editing, and even some basic games, but don't expect heavy gaming performance. Battery life is rated at up to 7 hours and 45 minutes, depending on usage. And the good part? It supports fast charging, around 50% in just 45 minutes. We've got a 15.6-inch Full HD display. It's anti-glare, so you can use it comfortably even in bright environments. Now, brightness is 250 nits and color coverage is 62.5% sRGB, so it's not meant for professional editing, but for watching videos, browsing, and daily work, it does the job well. Ports and connectivity. In terms of ports, HP gives you USB Type-C, data only, 2 USB Type-A, HDMI, headphone jack. Plus, you get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, so connectivity is fast and reliable. Pros: latest 13th Gen i3 processor, fast SSD storage, lightweight and portable, backlit keyboard, good battery with fast charging. It's perfect for students, office work, and general use, but if you're into gaming or heavy creative work, you might want something more powerful.